60 miles per hour. As he slams on the brake, the wing slides up at the back. And that was the Bugatti Chiron. Now, the Spanish car company,
Zinger 21C. Now this is a very rapid machine. Chris Ward, an experienced driver. It's a combination. 2.8 litre with 234. Stop the right to go.
Incredible top speed of 270 miles an hour in that beautiful.
That's still got to come back. That's one coming up. I don't know what's it is. It's like a Thomas Hill or something like that.
I have no doubt that all our visitors this summer will want to help us out with making something.
What's it?
Less than 1,000 kilograms, 200 miles per hour, top speed with Mika Hakkinen at the wheel. The flop.
In the car, I don't know, but a very strange.
Wheel on this fascinating car. This I didn't realise it. It is actually, it has 3 electric motors and 3. Brake horsepower, so this is going to be a pretty rapid machine up the hill.
Well, it could be down. Oliver's match. That's the fun. This is the. Regera, driven by Million CZinger. 50 kilos in weight and just a small battery on it, super quick, incredible technology. I'm dying to have a close
Automotive design.
This is a single seater. I'm trying to look at it.
The portions of it and the colour, it's just very fan of motorsport from the 80s and the 90s. That's got to be one of the most iconic.